talking about something that is called the blood moon. Blood moon looks something like that. And you know, usually the moon is yellow, but blood moon is red. That's why it's called the blood moon. Now I'm going to explain how the blood moon becomes a blood moon. Here's the sun, and as you know, planet Earth, which is where we live, is around the sun, and it's a lot smaller than the sun. Earth rotates or goes around the sun. I'm going to show you here. There you go. It goes around the sun, and that's 1 year. One rotation is 1 year. Then around Earth, you can find something else, and that's the moon, right? And the moon is usually yellow. We usually have a yellow moon. It looks something like this. It has craters, and it's a lot smaller than planet Earth, and it rotates also around our planet Earth. It goes around just like Earth goes around the sun. Now, sometimes the moon goes behind, so to speak, behind planet Earth, and is not affected by the sunlight from the sun, right? It is in the shadow of planet Earth, because sun's rays cannot reach it. They go around planet Earth. The sunlight goes around planet Earth, but it doesn't hit the moon, so the moon is left in a shadow. So the moon is left in a shadow. What does that mean? That means that we can't see the moon because the moon is reflecting the sun's light, so there's no moon, right? Because all we see is shadow. However, because some of the sunlight is reflected off of the atmosphere of Earth, this light is reddish in color, and that is the reason why the moon actually gets sunlight, but it's red light. And that's how we get the blood moon, which is actually in science called the eclipse. The eclipse is the real term for what happens when blood moon shows up in our skies. Okay. Now it's going to happen, or it happened today, April 15th at 5:43 UTC, and it can be visible from the Americas. So I hope you had a chance to see it. It's a very interesting thing to see. Okay, thank you again for joining us today. We are Hello Kids Today. You can check us out at our webpage that you see here on the screen. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you soon. Take care and bye!